All right, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got another box from Malaysia. This is another box from Red Chef. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh, wow. So this time we've got something a little different. And they sent me a little laminated paper with some information on it. I thought, I guess I'll just read it to you. It says, "Hi Hans, thank you for always putting your best efforts in reviewing the instant noodles. We hope you are well and continue to stay safe during this pandemic. This round we have something new for you, KampongKu. Before you ask, let us tell you about the KampongKu story. KampongKu, which translates to my village in the Malay language, is all about authentic Malaysian cuisine. Malaysians live in a food paradise." That is true. I've been to Malaysia, been to Penang, been to Langkawi, and I tell you what, they know what food is about. And we're passionate about sharing our Malaysian hometown food with the rest of the world. We are a brand inspired by Malaysian foodies who miss hometown food during our travels and work overseas. We are the ones who never fail to fill up our luggage with food products when we make a trip back to Malaysia, and we're always proud to share our hometown food and culture with friends no matter where we go. KampongKu is committed to sharing our unique Malaysian food culture with the peoples of the world. We only use natural ingredients in our products with no added preservatives, no artificial flavoring or coloring. We want our products to be as good as the street food vendors, which lend Malaysian food their distinctive flavors. KampongKu strives to bring you innovative and creative food products by researching and creating new ways to distill hometown food's real taste into convenient packages for food lovers worldwide. Wow, cool. And they signed it and everything. This is nice. Thank you very much. Well, let's see what they sent. What do we have here? First off, we've got some Sambal seafood paste. Then we've got some curry chicken paste. And honestly, I've been thinking for a while it'd be neat to make a really good curry bread. And I think maybe chicken and a bunch of this in some bread. I think it could be a winner. And then we've got some curry fish paste. And here's some Asam Laksa paste. Asam Laksa? Asam means sour, so it's more of a sour kind of laksa. So this is a new thing to me. This is mamak fried noodles, and it says it has a chunky paste to it. I'm really curious about this. This is kind of like a mee goreng. Mee goreng, mamak, fried shallots, crushed peanuts. Interesting. Very curious. I can't wait to try this stuff. Wow, and then we've got a curried seafood mee goreng going on here. This sounds really good. If this is anything like they're saying, like Malaysian food, this is going to be super good. And here we have a garlic black pepper variety fried noodle. Wow, what a really nice set. I can't wait to try these. Thank you so much for sending them. If these are anything like their other varieties, these are going to be really good. So stay tuned. There will be reviews of these soon. These flavors sound very, very local Malaysian and really good. So yeah, I have no idea what to expect except for excellence. Cool. Well, thank you very much again. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.